Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an HTTP host header attack in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is host header authentication bypass. So the lab makes an assumption about the privilege level of the user based on the header. Solve the lab, access the admin panel, and delete Carlos's account. Sweet, let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. So host header, something to do with the host header. What? No, come on. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Maybe I can't do any today. Gosh. Error. All right, well, I'll keep trying. Looks. There we go. All right. I've never gotten that error before, so I don't know what that's about. Okay, so admin panel. Do we have our own credentials? No. Let's try it anyway. Let's try going to admin. Admin till only local users. Okay, so maybe proxy HTTP history. We can do it. Send a repeater. Peter host by doing 127.0.0.1. Unauthorized. Oh, man, did it. Sweet. Localhost did it. All right. And then we can delete Carlos. So that's all we got to do. We have that stupid lab token again. So we got to remember that. All right. Well, let's start creating our script. So I'm going to go Python utils create script. There we go. Copy this. Paste, run that. And then Vim, Python, or Vim, sorry, host header authentication bypass. All right, so all we need to do is we need to get established that lab token. So let's start with that. Resp cookies equals shop dot get response and shop dot home base URL. All right, because I don't want to mess around with that stupid cookie a bunch. Let's see. Proxy. What this does. We got a 302. All right, so we're gonna do cookies equals resp dot request dot underscore cookies, like that, because again, remember this is a 302, and so this cookie was given on the 302 and then used here, and so then We get another cookie. So then here we got to do cookies. We don't want the session, right? Do we care about the session? We used it. All right, fine. We'll care about it. So then we can do cookies and then session equals what do we want? Oh, resp dot cookies dot get session. And let's do it like this. Cookies equals boom cookie and then cookies underscore lab equals rest cookies dot get underscore lab. And then log dot info cookies, just to make sure we have both. Expected shop dot get whoops. Get response doesn't give cookies, just the response. Okay, lab and session. Perfect. Now we can get the /admin page. So log or shop dot get response. We want shop dot sorry, I lost my mind there for a second. Base URL plus admin. We want to give it headers equals headers and cookies equals cookies. Let's try that. Headers equals a dictionary with host as one local host, and cookies will get. So let's make sure that that works. We can actually do shop, or we need to resp equals this, and then we can do log.info resp.text. Oh, whoops. There, nope. Yeah, that one. Dang it. Hey, like that. Sweet. And then we can do our delete Carlos. But I don't know if that's going to work with our new, the lab, whatever. Let's check. That's in site. Delete. There we go. Yeah. Ooh, let's add headers here. Headers will be optional. Headers, none. And then get response. All right, cool. Now we should be able to shop.delete Carlos. And we want we want cookies and the headers. So cookies equals cookies. Oh no, just cookies, and then headers equals headers, and then shop dot is solved. And we don't need either of these. Okay. I think this will solve it. Let's do it. Lab is solved. Woo! Let's get our banner. Come on. Come on, show me the banner. Anyway, all we did was put localhost in as the host header, and their security was configured in such a way that that's how they prevented external people from reaching the admin pages, was they trusted the value of the host header. So once we made that modification, we were able to get the admin page, and then to solve it, all we had to do is delete Carlos. And we did that successfully, as you can see. Pretty sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.